What's on? So basically for this part of the video, I'm going to be featuring everything within the second day of this road trip. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Well, after 11 right now, Eastern time, so made it to this rest area.
Never done a hike. Potential targets such as military bases and chemical plants may be advised to evacuate.
on the waterfall with me. It'll be more of an up close, but. We're at a gas station here.
Well, after 3 o'clock Eastern time, made it to Waterfall. Okay, so it's Waterfall right now, so just made it to the hotel. So my plan is gonna be staying here for like the next couple of nights while I'm like staying at New River Gorge. So I don't know if what I'm gonna be doing later today, but I might check out a little bit more of the national park. But I hope you enjoyed some of the waterfalls I saw on my way in here and some of the driving footage I got earlier. So. And I'll either see you guys if I decide to do anything else later this evening, or I'll see you guys for the outro.
Kind of like the Tennessee one though. Is this the New River Gorge Bridge itself?
Drove down all of us.
Down to the smoke.
Okay, so this is about all I'm gonna be doing for this part of the video, so hope you guys enjoyed everything that I did so far, like during the second day of like the road trip. Subscribe and keep my post notifications on, see you do next. Stay tuned for like the next video I'm gonna be having out, because it's gonna be everything else I did later today. I ended up like seeing more places like within like the national park, like actual national park. Like I ended up like seeing some views of like the one like bridge, and I also end up seeing like some more waterfalls, so stay tuned for that. And without further ado, I'll see you guys for the next video.